Hey guys, my name is Yuag Shaparia, and today I'll be reading you The Pigeon Has to Go to School, and it's by Mo Willems. I chose this book because I read this book a lot growing up. I think I've read it at least maybe 5 to 6 times, and it's one of my favorite books. So here we go. The pigeon has to go to school. It's too late. Rats. Why do I have to go to school? I ask that question too sometimes. I already know everything, he says. Go on and ask me a question. Any question. Ask him a question. Oh, he's thinking about it. Oh, well, I know almost everything. Looks like he couldn't answer your question. Does school start in the morning? Because you know what I'm like in the morning. And it's not pretty. I know. I don't like mornings. Do you like mornings? I wish I was a little chick again. A little itty bitty, not going to school, baby, weeby chicken. Oh, I remember the times. What if I don't like school? What if I really don't like it? What if I really don't like it? What if, he says, what if the teacher doesn't like the pigeons? And the stuff. What about all the stuff? There's so much stuff to learn, he says. What if I learn too much? My head might pop off. Do you think his head might pop off? I don't know. I'm scared, he says. He's scared. What will happen at school? He says. What if there's math or numbers? Reading can be hard with one eye. Why does the alphabet have so many letters? What about lunch? What will other birds think of me? What is up with those backpacks? I'm a fragile bird. Those backpacks seem heavy. Will finger paint stick to my feathers? The unknown stresses me out, dude. And it stresses me out too. There should be a place to practice these things, with experts to help you, and books, and classrooms, and other birds to work and play with. Maybe a playground. Oh, that is school, he says. Well, how am I supposed to get there anyway? What? It's a school bus. Step aside. I'm coming through, he says. And the pigeon has to go to school. The end. See? It's one of my favorite books.